Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is our day 7 class, and in this class you will be able to know about subject and predicate. Okay, already we have completed sentence chapter, and from that topic we have learnt about what is called a sentence, how should we form sentences, and how many types of sentences are there. I told you a sentence also contains two parts. Yes or no? A sentence has two parts. That is called what? A sentence contains two parts, and that is subject and another one is predicate. So first we have to learn what is called a subject, or how can we identify the subject part from a sentence. Subject part, always remember, subject part always answers us of two questions. Those are what and who. Okay, so subject always answers us of two questions. Those are what and who. And subject is performing the action in a sentence. It is performing the action in a sentence. Then come to the predicate part. How can we identify the predicate part? From predicate part always we are getting one verb. Okay, our predicate part always contains a verb and it gives us more information about the subject. Gives us more information about the subject. And it tells us what the subject is doing. In a sentence. This is called predicate. So subject always answers us two questions. Those are what and who, and it is performing the action in a sentence. And predicate part always contains a verb. It gives us more information about the subject, and what the subject is doing, it tells us. Okay. One more thing is what? Always we are not getting the subject part from the first part of a sentence. We can get the subject part from the middle part of a sentence also. Okay. And wait. One more thing is about imperative sentence. Suppose I will write here about one imperative sentence I am writing. Clean the room. Clean the room. This is called imperative sentence. Why? We are giving order to someone. This is called imperative sentence. And as we are getting one imperative sentence here, subject is silent. Why? We are not mentioning that person's name. Okay, we are not mentioning the name of that person to whom we are giving order. Yes or no? So here the entire sentence will be known as what? Predicate. Entire sentence will be known as what? Predicate. Because to whom we are saying, not mentioned here. We have not mentioned, we are saying this to whom. Clean the room. To whom we are saying to clean that room. So here subject is silent here. That means what? They are having one person to whom we are saying. So here you will be subject, but that is silent. So the entire sentence will be known as what? Predicates. Okay. So let's do some exercises. Then you will be clear about subject and predicate topic. Okay. Okay, so here I have mentioned some questions. Let's do the answers. Number 1, the dog loves the child. Who loves the child? The dog. Here we are getting the dog is subject and remaining part is what? Predicate. Then number 2, the boys were playing nearby. Who were playing nearby? the boys who were doing the action. So here the boys will be subject and we are playing nearby predicate. Number 3, the sun sets in the west. We are talking about the sun. The sun is subject, sets in the west, predicate. Then number 4, the food tastes delicious. The food tastes delicious. We are talking about here the food. The food is subject and remaining part is known as predicate. Number 5, in the backyard, the dog ran behind the cat. Here we are getting the subject part from the middle part of the sentence. See, we are talking about here we are talking about the dog. And this is called subject and remaining part will be known as what? Predicate. Okay, then number 6, pass the book. That means what? We are saying to someone, give me that book or give that book. Here we are not getting any subject part. The entire sentence will be known as what? Predicate. And here subject is silent, that is you. You is here subject. So this is all about subject and predicate. Watch this video carefully. You will be able to understand what is subject and what is predicate and how can you identify one subject part from a sentence and how can you identify the predicate part from a sentence. So hope you will like the video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to give comments. Okay, thank you all. Bye.